Hi guys, good afternoon guys. Dito tayo ngayon guys sa Pasig River. Ito sa Esplanade. Ayun guys, oh. Yan, masyal tayo dito guys. Walang katao-tao. Ayan, oh. Yung post office guys sa Manila. Ito guys sa Esplanade, Pasig River. Yan, dito tayo ngayon guys, oh. Ito po yung Pasig River guys, oh. Yan. Pasig River. Oh. Ito yung John's Bridge guys, oh. John's Bridge. Pasig River. Lakad tayo dito guys. Yan, wala pong katao-tao guys, oh. Yung Esplanade. Yan, ako lang mag-isa dito naglakad guys, oh. Pasig River, Esplanade. Patao. Pasig River guys, oh. Lakarin natin guys hanggang dulo guys, dun sa may tulay guys. Yan. John Bridge, Manila. Tayo dadaan guys sa ilalim ng tulay guys, oh. Yan. John Bridge. Pasig River guys, oh. Pasig River. Halaman na sila dito guys, oh. Nalagay sa ilalim ng tulay sa John's Bridge. Tayo guys. Naglakad. John's Bridge, Manila. Pinakita guys, dun sa may dulo guys, oh. Yan. Dito tayo sa may tulay guys. Nakarin na. Para guys, walang tao-tao. Awan. Walang mag-isa. Ang namamasyal. Guys, ang mga tinda yan dito guys. Yan. Mga tao-tao dito. Mga bigil. Mayang gabi pa yan. Ganyan guys, oh. Awan. Dito na yan guys, oh. Pasig River. Ice rolling. Wow. Yan, napakaganda guys, oh. Kaanas. Dito tayo guys. Papantao guys. Yan na guys, oh. Sa John's Bridge. Nasiyar nila guys, oh. Pa-restrom sila guys dito sa John's Bridge. Uy, sarado. Sarado guys, sarado. Bro, ginagawa pa, oh. Yan. Ito guys, oh. Sa Intramuros Bridge guys. Ano? Bridge John's Bridge, oh. Layo guys. So, ang tao. Every girl that I see, sometimes keeps staring. Girl, there's no comparing. Guys, tao-tao guys. Intramuros Bridge. Sarado pa. Pasig River guys, oh. John's Bridge, Manila. Pala dito guys, oh. Gawa ng tindahan, oh. Pasig River guys. Pasig River. Every girl that I see
sometimes gets me staring. Girl, there's no
Guys,
comparing.
Pasig River.
All I do is think about you, I can't help myself. Girl, right now I wish
Bridge,
my heart
Manila.
could tell. Why is it always you that's on my mind all the time?
Tao.
Why is it
Yan, George. Tondo Bridge, Manila guys.
out of my head?
Wow, dito tayo guys sa Tondo Bridge, Manila.
Talk the way you walk that drives me
Yan.
crazy.